Hello everyone, welcome back to another English class here with Mr. Lopez. Today we are going to do a little bit of review. We're going to review some of the vocabulary and some of the phrases and expressions we have covered in this unit, the healthcare unit. Okay, so we are going to do it in the four in a row. We're going to try to do 4 in a row. Okay. So we are going to play a little game together, reviewing it. I'm going to give you some time to answer the questions. Okay, let's begin. Click here on Start. And we have player A. We have player B. And let's go with player A. Okay, so this is the first row. This is the second row, third row, this is the fourth, this is the fifth row, sixth row, and seventh row. Notice how I use a different number. Number 1, when they are ordinal numbers, they are called different. For example, number 1 is first. First row, this line right here, because they are in a row, they are following a sequence, is called row. First row. Number 2 is second row. Number 3 is third row. The next one is number 4. You're just going to add a th at the end, the sound th. So you're going to say 4, and then you're going to say th. Fourth. The next one, the next row is 5. You're going to add th, the sound to it. Fifth row. Sixth row. Seventh row. Okay, so which one would you select? Let's select the first row. Okay, the question is, the receptionist says there's an opening at 10:30. Which sentence is not true? Which sentence is not true? The doctor is free at 10:30. The doctor isn't busy, is not busy at 10:30. The doctor is busy at 10:30. So the receptionist says there is an opening. An opening means the doctor is available, okay, at 10:30, or you can make an appointment at that time. So this is asking you what is not true. Not true. The opposite of true. Not true of the sentence. The doctor is free at 10:30. Well, the sentence is, this is true. The doctor isn't busy at 10:30. Well, it's true because it's an opening, so this is not it. The doctor is busy at 10:30. Well, it says that there's an opening at 10:30, so this is not true. So the correct answer, because it's asking you that is not true, the correct answer is the doctor is busy at that time, at 10:30. Okay, let's continue. Now let's go with B. Let's go to second row. The second row, let's see what questions do we have. What is the first thing you have to do to make an appointment online? What is the first thing? The first thing you have to do to make an appointment online. Do you have to enter your name and password? you have to click on the time you would like, or you have to click on the name of your doctor. What do you do first? Well, obviously you find the website, and then the website is going to ask you for your credentials. Credentials. The credentials are your name or username and password, just like when you sign up here to Burlington. The correct answer is enter your name and password. Let's continue. Okay, so now let's go to the third line, okay? The third row. Remember, 3, third, third. Those are the ordinal numbers. Third. How many days are there in 2 weeks? 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 1 week are 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 7 days. What about 2 weeks? If you have 7 times 2 equals 14 days. That's the correct answer. Okay, so now we're going to go to the fourth row. What can you say when you finish making an appointment? What do you say when you finish? After you speak to someone, do you say, spell your name? Let me check. See you then. See you then. Then is an expression that refers to time. At the time that something will happen or had happened. Okay? Then. See you then is the correct answer. Let's go to this is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth row. The question is, what can you say if you've never been to the doctor before? What can you say if you've never been to the doctor before? You can say, how do you spell your name? No, that would not be good, right? When you see the doctor. I saw the doctor 2 weeks ago. No, because you have never seen it. So you say, this is my first visit. Visit number 1, first. So the answer is, this is my first visit. So now we're going to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. The question is, which is a date? Thursday, October 28th, 555-0104, 9 p.m. in the morning. Date. Date. A date will have the day. It will have also the month and also the day of that week. So that will be Thursday, October 28th. That's the correct answer. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh. How do you feel when you are in a lot of pain? How do you feel when you are in a lot of pain? Pain, it hurts. Do you feel okay? If you're in a lot of pain, you don't feel okay. Do you feel bad? Most likely. Or do you feel good when you're in a lot of pain? No, that would be weird. So the correct answer is, you probably feel bad when you're in a lot of pain. Okay, so now you can select number 1, number 2, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or seventh? Let's try to go to second. Where did doctors not work? Where do doctors not work? Do they work in medical centers? Yes, they work in medical centers. So that's not the correct answer. Do they work in clinics? Doctors work in clinics. Do doctors work in websites? No, they do not. For most part, they don't. I know now with the COVID-19, we are getting a lot of consults and a lot of teleconferences that we visit doctors. But for most part, you actually go to those medical centers and clinics to see a doctor. So the correct answer is where they don't work, not work, they don't work in websites. Let's go to the next one. Let's pick third. The third, it says, which word means not busy? Not busy. Busy is occupied. Busy. What is what's something that is not busy? Medical? Better? Free? Medical is not busy? Better? It's not busy? Which word means not busy? Well, this is hard one. Free. Correct. Okay, let's go to the third one. The second one, sorry. Where can you make an appointment online? At the medical center, on a website, in the doctor's office. Where can you make an appointment online? On a website. You go online and you make the appointment. You put your username and your password. Let's go to the third one. It is Steve's first visit to Dr. Becker. Which sentence is true about Steve? He always goes to Dr. Becker. He's never been to Dr. Becker's before. He saw Dr. Becker's 2 weeks ago. He's never been to Dr. Becker. That is the correct answer because which sentence is about Steve, right? His first visit. All right, so let's go to the next one. Let's go to the second one. What can you say if your back hurts? What can you say? Here is my password. Let me check. I am in a lot of pain. I am in a lot of pain. That is the correct answer. If your back hurts, you are in a lot of pain. And that's the Connect 4. We connected 4. I hope this little game of ours help you review some of the expressions and some of the things that we cover. Next week, we will continue with our health care unit, and we will talk about other important things. Well, I hope I see you soon, and have a safe and relaxing time with your family. Goodbye.